Good morning, guys. It is now 46, and my duty today is 6 o'clock in the morning, and then it's early.
And those who are in Australia under various visa arrangements, they're obviously not held here compulsorily. If they're not in a position to be able to support themselves, then there is the alternative for them to return to their home countries.
Kadipoli, so I think it is clean now, but there are some spots that I don't see when I'm up there. Yeah, just look at that. Yeah, I don't see that when I was there, but now it's dry. It's still a mess. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Today I work breakfast 6 to 2. It's just me in the breakfast. There is no waiter because we have just 2 rooms. So basically I cook, and I'm also the one who bring the food to the room. And you need someone when words are not enough. Yeah, there is no waiter. It's just me, the housekeeping manager, and then the admin manager. Yeah, so I have a lot of time, and I clean the hood of the pizza oven. Yeah, also the oven, I clean the oven, and also I clean the bathroom, the locker, the changing room. I also clean the cafeteria. I mean like our lounge room where we eat. Yeah, I clean those. Yeah, I don't know tomorrow what I'm going to do tomorrow, what I'm going to clean tomorrow. We're going straight home because I am paranoid about the environment. I feel like there are viruses everywhere. Thank to lose, you're not the win, hoping so bad. And I'm hungry. This rice is still good. Yeah, it's still good. It's just last night. Oh. This made over yesterday. Okay, so yeah, this is it now. And of course I'm going to eat it with rice. Oh, it's already 5:43, and yeah, I'm still full, but yeah, I'm going to cook this. As you can see, these are all the dry, already hard rice. I'm going to put some water. That's it. I will put it there. We switch it on, and we cook it. It is going to be a nice lugaw, arroz caldo maybe, lugaw. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, I'm going to work. I just get down here because I stopped by here because I'm going to show you this. Today is the time saving, daylight time saving adjustment. young kid. Yo, good morning, guys. No, good afternoon. It's all. I sign out at 12:04. Yeah, I sign out early today because busy. No, not busy. Yeah, there is no guest. I did just 2 rooms today. Yeah, so 4 people, 4 plates. That's what I did today. Yeah, and because today is the time saving, because in the telephone, in my iPhone, it's automatically going to change, but in the wall clock you need to adjust the time, and I didn't check. Yeah, the food should be delivered by 8:30 and I delivered it by 7:30. Yeah, I just realized it on the second room. Yeah, it was ready also, so yeah, we serve it early. I serve it early and it was good. Yeah, we're going home now. We're not going somewhere else. Basically, the reception lady, they already asked the guests if they are going to eat for lunch or for dinner. And if they are not going to eat for lunch or dinner, it means that I can go home. And that's what I did. I go home now. And for tonight also, there is no reservation. So, yeah, they asked Rafael not to come anymore today. If you remember this is the one that I cooked yesterday. I put it there. The hard rice. We should put on. It is now 5 minutes before 6 o'clock. It is already dark outside because yesterday was the time adjustment. I am now preparing my dinner and it's just going to be fried egg. Yeah, the news is talking about the Robbie Princess. I believe that there are many Filipinos in that cruise ship. They said there are around 50 nationalities who are mostly crew.
Empty, white, sandy beaches, apartments.
Look at that. This is Nelson Bay.
It stays that way in Port Stephens over the school holidays.
My main message to anyone contemplating coming up this way for the Easter long weekend is please don't do it. Stay at home as per the health advice.
Already, some accommodation owners have been caught out. Police say it won't be tolerated.
We are getting some information from the public that some accommodation providers might be trying to look at workarounds around this legislation. So we've proactively visited some of those and again placed warnings on them.
Hotel Nelson is among those doing the right thing. Normally full this time of year, it has just a few guests needing accommodation for work purposes. But for tourists...
Look, it pains me to say this, given Easter is normally our second best time of year, but for this Easter, the message is don't come.
Another accommodation provider told us that Airbnb has ordered they only open to essential workers carrying out their job in Port Stephens. Holiday makers are not allowed. For those with a weekender at the Bay, police say they should stay in their primary residence as it's considered non-essential travel. An influx of visitors brings high risks, especially for the area's older population. The small Tomaree Community Hospital wouldn't cope. and no mincing words from the local member. If you are thinking of heading off on holidays, stay home or risk a $1,000 expense.
We would love to see people come back when it's safe to do so.
Jane Goldsmith, NBN News.
Yeah, that is the reason why my chef called me for me to be on holiday, because there are no guests that are allowed to stay.